coaching and consulting. Another video for you today about leadership and the leadership mindset. One of the things that is really critical to how you position yourself for success as a leader is the choices you make. Life is full of choices. I tried to count how many choices I've made in my lifetime, and I quickly realized there's no way to do that. There's just been too many of them. But if you look at the people who are highly successful in life and those who are struggling, the big difference between those two categories is the choices we make. The people who struggle, they're always saying crazy things like, oh, I didn't have any choice. My choices were no good. Hey, it always comes down to the choices we make. I need to own my choices. You need to own your choices. Everybody needs to own the choices they make, because we always have choices. They might not always be great choices or your preferred choices, but they are choices. So choose wisely, make the best choices you can under the circumstances you find yourself in, and go for it. Make it turn out as best as you possibly can. See you next time.